Hi guys, so today we're gonna teach you how to create a straight root and crossover cable. Before we start, we need have the following materials and equipment. First is UTP cable or Cat 5. Second is the cable tester to know if the cable is working. Third is the crimping tool, and lastly is the RG45.
So let's start on creating a straight through cable which is for PC to have. The first step is go get your UTP and peel the outer coating of the UTP with 2 inches and measure. The second one is to cut the cotton nylon. Third steps is to untwist the 4 paired wires. Fourth steps, arrange the wire into straight through pattern. See picture at the side of the screen. Now, we have straight through pattern. White orange, orange, white green, black, white black, green, white brown, and brown. The fifth steps is use the RJ45 as a cutting measure, then mark it with marker or pen. 6 steps. Get the crimping tool and cut the wire on its markings. 7th step is to simply slide the wire through the RJ45, then give it a push. 8 steps. Get your crimping tool and give a tight squeeze. Note that if squeezing the RJ45, we should hear sound of click. That means the cable is already crimped. And the last one is 9th steps. Is to do the same steps on the other side of UTP.
Let's now proceed to crossover cable, which is PC to PC. Same with the straight through cable before, we should peel the UTP cable. Untwist the 4 paired wires. Arrange the following wire with the crossover pattern: the white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown. See the picture pattern on the screen. Use the RJ45 as a cutting measure. Mark it using a marker or a pen. Get the crimping tool and cut the wires on its marking. Slide it on the RJ45 and give it a push to meet the end. Get your crimping tool and give a tight squeeze. After that, do a straight through pattern on the other side of the UTP cable.
Thank you for watching.